Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Glyph essential notifications on your Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. First, open Settings on your device and go to Glyph interface. Navigate down to Essential Notifications and let me show you how to set up notifications in this menu. But first, let me delete the previously set up rules so I can explain everything from the beginning. So let's create a new rule, so the new notification rule, and let's start with adding an application, and then we'll give our rule a name to better understand what it does. So first application I want to use for this is the messages application, and now let's adjust the notifications that we want to receive from this application by tapping the pencil icon next to it. And in my case, I want to only receive notifications about incoming messages, so I'm only leaving this checkbox checked. Then tap done, and now let's add some contacts from which we want to receive these notifications. Okay. Once the contact are added, let's add some keywords. So the keywords are some words present in this that have to be present in this notification in order for it to be the essential one. And this can be anything else. For example, let's say job application. So when the notification received contains one of these keywords, it will become essential. And now as a name, let's say job application status, and then let's save this rule. Now let's add a new one. Once again, let's choose an app before creating a name for it. So let's select phone, and in phones, in this phone application, I only want to receive emergency calls and incoming calls and missed calls. And phone is usually not the only application from which we can receive such notifications. However, in my case, it is actually so. But if you have, for example, Messenger application, or if you have some sort of WhatsApp application, you can also add them to this list and also adjust the kind of notifications you want to receive from these applications. Then we can also add contacts from which we want to receive these essential notifications, but I'm not going to do this this time since you already know how to do so. We can also add keywords, but in this case I don't think it's applicable, since we can already adjust all kinds of information we want to receive by simply selecting the application and the people from which we want to receive this notification. And let's add a rule name, and the rule name will be incoming, missed, and emergencies. Then tap OK, and let's save this rule too. For this rule, for rules to be active, they have to have this toggle switch to the right. And that's basically how you set up and use essential notifications on your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.